Hello guys, so today we will be playing Movie Star Planet and I'm loading into my account. Here is my account. So what should we do? Let's see our messages, cause why not? Hey, oh my god, what happened to your mask? Okay, let's see what I have in the activities. Oh, my Fame magazine. Movies you starred and received 1 views. Alright then. Oh my god. Fame. Let's watch my movie. Kusuwanut. Let me go to my profile. Living inside a rainbow. Look at my art book. I'm living inside a rainbow. And here is a video for free Fame. Sorry, that was just my mom. Okay, that was one of my videos. Oh my god, there's a little fly! And here's my other movie. Who the hell? Okay, so that was my movie. I want to create a new look of Mittens Purple. Myself, of course. I didn't want to wear that. Like what? Create new look. This look, obviously. I swear. Snow moonlight, snow moonlight. Alright, I accepted a friend request. Save this look. I gotta name it. Angel. Yeah. Oh my gosh, shut up! Submit to ratings now. Yeah. Okay, who the heck? He's a mobile user. Oh, whoops. No. Wait, what did Mooney... But I dumped a guy because he was cheating on me? Wow. Okay. Clubs. What's the clubs? I really want to get up, heck. What? How much time is it? I can't even. Let's just play casting. Oh, shut up, iPad. What? Oh my gosh, she's guessing everything! How? Stop. Wait, where is she? It's in Lori 2222's room. Okay. I'm gonna go to a chat room. Whoa! Oh gosh. Yeet! A mosquito! For God's sake. What? Loved my look. Okay, I have to message her. No, it's not a scam. Hi, can you make... Hi, can you give me a makeover? Oh, yeah! I know this is obviously a scam. I'm going to tell her that I will be making another account. Okay, let me pause. Okay, so I made a new account and it's called Heart Bella Angel Hearts. Here you can see my username. Now I told her that she can go on my account. I need to tell her my password. Guys, if you want this account, you can take it. I don't mind. So, yeah. My login is lol123. So, lol. Aw, come on. lol123. There we go. So you can have the account if you want, guys. I don't know if it's going to get scammed, but okay. So I don't know what she's doing, so I'm gonna pause. I found some other girl and she's giving out free VIP. I know it's a scam, but I told her to do it on my other account, and yeah. I'm going to check if she really changed the password to it. Let me check it. Wait, I'ma just wait a few minutes. So that scammer said it's not working. Let me see. It is working. What? It is working. What the hell? Let me just open this up. Oh my god, that scared me, for God's sake. No, Holly, go away. Okay, I'm going to log into my other app. Okay, so she didn't understand the user for a bit, so I'm just going to wait another 5 minutes. So I'm just going to go on the user. I don't know if she gave it to me, but I'm going to log into it. Okay, I'm logging into it. I don't know if I have the VIP. Nope. What? What the heck? I didn't even... She just got the account for fun. Well, let's wait till she logs me out. Myself out. Cause she wouldn't go on the account. Okay, let's see if she had messaged me on this account here, my main. Oh, by the way, be sure to friend my main, Mittens Purple. Girl. Okay. Friends request, what? Request Paula the Gay. Whatever. Can you give me a makeover to the other act? Can you give me a makeover to the... Oh, and guys, do you wanna vote? So here is a question. Do you want me to write on the notepad or just speak with my voice? Let me know. So yeah, I'll see you in a part 2 of this, of people scamming me. Well, Paul the Gay is not really scamming me, but the other one was. So yeah, this was it for today's video. Goodbye!